Alright, walking around this home here, show you how dirty it is. There's the fascia, part of it. I'm going to be pressure washing today. A lot of these seams here may have been done with silicone and may not get perfectly clean. I'm going to have the sun glaring in my phone, so it may not be see, but you can see the fascia there is faded. We'll paint the fascia after pressure washing. Do a full home walk around. This is the south side of the home, the rear. I will not be pressure washing this portion. The pressure washer would just destroy the paint on this. We will be getting to repairing that though. All of this will be repaired. We will not be pressure washing it. As you can see, the damage on the bottom. I'll show you this. I don't know if it'll show up on the video or not, but rebuild the wall, better support, better proper siding. Got a good pressure wash today. I don't know how well it's going to show up on the video because of the sun. There's the fascia right there. And walk around. Not sure if it's, see what I see on the video, how dirty it is. See, I can't get up on this. Alright, well, we pressure washed. Hopefully, see if we can't make a decent video here. Before and after. We do the doors, the windows. Like I said, we didn't pressure wash this. It would just destroy it. It would just shred the paint off and tear up the wood. So we did not pressure wash this portion. Alright. We'll end up painting this right here blue when we do the fascia, so it matches the same fascia color. And it's pretty discolored, faded. We'll get that cleaned up with new fresh paint. The wall paint pretty much is pretty decent. It's not all ashy and chalky like paint. Over time, paint will get chalky. Like you rub your hand on it and you get all over your hand.
Okay. I have to go down. I've lived here my whole life and I don't know which church that is. I should do that. I have no idea which church that is, and I thought I knew all the churches. Well, St. Stephen's. I can't believe that name of that street has gone out of my mind. Let's find out. Edgar. Is that it?
And we pressure wash the driveway.
Where is St. Stephen's Church in Beaumont, California?
Alright, hopefully that was alright. Not really do good on video, so I did my best on that.
It has stairs to get into it, right?